Hi, I'm back again with another PSA. This time it's on creative credit and copyright. So what is creative credit? Creative credit is used when a person gives the creator of a design or an image credit for their contribution and shows appreciation for the talent that the person who created it has. Creative credit is important because artists share their work with the public use, and giving them credit is them just trusting you to, be like, hey, I didn't do all of the work. And then without creative credit, artists wouldn't share their work, meaning there would be no things such as like clip art for the public to use. So then what is copyright? Copyright is the exclusive legal right given to an originator or like an artist or a dancer or what have it to perform, publish, film material, and it lets people protect it. So then why is it copyright important? Copyright is important to authors because it lets them have ownership for their work. And then having ownership means that they can protect it and help manage who makes money off of what they've created. And that's all I have on creative credit and copyright.